Hi everyone, I'm Vafa Kopyan. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the cable spline blueprint that comes with my radio equipment pack. So let's get started. You can find the cable spline blueprint inside Blueprints folder named BP Cables. Simply drag and drop it into your scene. And by pressing G, the spline points will appear. You can simply click on one of them and move them wherever you like. Let's turn off the snupping so we can move this more accurately. And you can shape your spline as you wish. Here in the details panel, we have a couple of settings that we can change to customize our spline. For example, if we want to change the cable type, we have the cable type slider here. 0 is set to be a regular tube. 1 has this double tube appearance. And 2 is a coiled cable. You can decrease the section length to also decrease the coil amount. Let's set it to 15. Or even 8. I would recommend you using higher numbers when you're actually making the spline. And then when you have the spline made, you can decrease this to increase the visual quality, like so. For the ends, we have start connector and end connector type. Let's simply slide through them and see what types we have. We have the exact same meshes for end connector type. For the connector rotation, we have start or end rotations that we can use to rotate the ends. We also have start and end mesh scale that controls the scale of the ends. For the cable width, we have cable width parameter we can use to increase or decrease the cable width. You can also change the materials of the cable. You can find the materials inside materials folder. Here we have MI connectors material instances. I've also included this white material that you can simply drag and drop it into custom spline material, and that changes the color. You can also duplicate this material, open it, and here inside the global vector parameter values, you can change the tint color to change the material color. Let's set it to pink and simply drag and drop it into custom spline material. If you want your spline to have collisions, you can simply go to collision type and change this to collision enabled. We can also add clips to our cables by enabling use clips option. The clip spacing controls the spacing between each clip. Start skip skips clips at the start of the cable, and end skip skips from the end of the cable. Clipper scale controls the scale of the clippers. This is all you need to know to work with the cable spline blueprint. I remind you that you can purchase this radio equipment pack with the cable spline blueprint with the link down in the description. I hope you find this tool useful and that it helps add an extra layer of realism to your environments. Feel free to experiment with it and adapt it to fit your own scenes and workflows. Thanks for watching.